Hey scrappy friends, welcome back to my channel. Helen here with another scrapbook layout for you. Are we ready for the first of 2025's 30 days of sketches with Christy's beautiful life? I know I am. So this is series 17 and they are all exclusive sketches designed by the community for 30 day sketches for Christy. She reaches out and asks for volunteers to make sketches. Quite a few of us volunteer. I have one later in the month, but for today, we have this great sketch with the 4 hexagons that has been designed by Sarah Christensen. I will have her socials if they are available in the description box below for you. So please go check her out. I'll also have all the links, 30 day sketches, relevant links for you as well. So I am not doing a how to kill a kit with Star Kit this month. I just want to concentrate on working through what I have already, and I want to try and get some of this hip kit box used up. This is like kits from 2022, 2023. There might be some older stuff in there. So I just really want to try and work through that box and see what I can get used up and get rid of. So I decide I'm not going to do a white background. I am going to use this wood grain piece for my background, and then you see I have cut my photo as a hexagon. I have done that in Word, so I have used the cropping tool in Word for a hexagon shape and cropped the photo a hexagon, and then so when I've printed it, it's got a white border in the shape of hexagon, and I've just been really brave and cut with my scissors around that. I've then used that photo as my template against the 3 different pattern papers, and I have just cut the hexagons the same as the photo. So what I'm doing now is I'm sticking it onto a piece of yellow, and I am using the ruler in my trimmer as my guide. So that's going up against the edge of the white border on the photo, because the edge of the ruler to where the cutting track down the middle is has a little gap. So that's then giving me a border for the pattern paper. So there we go. So I'm doing this blue as well. I know this blue has got all the streets and things on it, but you don't really see that with the photo and on there, with it being a matte for the photo. I do change my mind on that pink hexagon. It is fading into the background a little bit, and also as well, I do feel it needs to be something with a bit more of a colour pattern on, with the background being pretty neutral, and I do flip it over eventually. You'll see me do that, and I'm much happier when I do flip that over. Now I am as well going to rip the edge and pop a little bit of yellow behind there for just a bit of interest to the 2 sides. And now I do as well go to check the spelling of my title and forgot to hit record again when I come back. So I do go around all the hexagons with some walnut stain distress ink. You'll see that all in a minute. I'm jumping ahead a bit here. So I've done that bottom right. I'm just putting these back on again to, um, get the position of where I'm tearing, and doing the same at the top left. Get that, in a place I'm happy with. So I'm just popping them back on to get that all where I am happy. I am then, after I've done that, there we go. I do faff about what I'm doing with these corners quite a bit. I do end up stapling them, and again, it's something you see in a bit. Okay, so you see here, I flipped that piece over, and I'm much happier with the floral on the white background, and I just feel it all balances a bit better than what I had originally. And then I am just going through some alphas to do my title. So, title is going to be Emmet Free St. Ives, and then my journaling start, well, it was until we got there. So I go off to check the spelling of Emmet. Now, Emmet is a Cornish word. It's supposed It's thought to be derived from the Cornish word for rat. Not rat, sorry, ant. The Cornish word for ant, because they scurry around everywhere and they're red. Um, and that's emmet is the Cornish slang, what Cornish people call us tourists. Um, I am a tourist now. I did used to live down there, but I am, a tourist again when I do go to Cornwall because I no longer live down there. So yeah, it's Emmet Free St Ives, and just walking around St Ives this time of year when there's not much in the way of tourists and it's very quiet. The favourite coffee shop's still open, and that's just really lovely. It's got like local dog walkers in there, and it's just really nice and peaceful, and you can get in and out the shops and it's just I love going both times a year because if you go when we normally go, you've got the sun and you can sit outside with a glass of wine, and we go this time of year and it's just really peaceful and beautiful and anytime, any weather, Cornwall's still gorgeous. So I am journaling. Journaling as I go. Oh my. So yeah, you can see there that all the hexagons are inked with walnut stain. I've gone around the edge of the main piece as well, and that will be it. Oh, it's not. I've got these new Stone Effect and Nuvo drops that I thought I would give a go. I think I go a little overboard with them, and I'm still getting the hang of them. They have a kind of like a little bit of grit in them. But yeah, that's it. I've then got some close-ups coming up for you. Don't forget to check out the playlist and all things 30-day sketches and Sarah's links as well in the description below. Have a great day. Take care. Bye bye.